Find the sum of the series to n terms 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 31 plus 85 and so on. Here the given series is not in the form of AP or GP, but if we find the differences of consecutive terms, 7 minus 5 is 2, 13 minus 7 is 6, 31 minus 13 is 18, and so on. Here we'll find that the common difference of these terms is not same, so that means it's not AP. But if we find the ratio of 6 and 2 is 3, ratio of 18 and 6 is also 3. So we'll find that this sequence of differences is a GP. And whenever you have such cases where the differences form a GP, the nth term of such a sequence is given by the formula a times r raised to the power n plus b. In order to find the nth term, we need to find a and b. We already know r, that r is equal to 3, right? So Tn is equal to a times 3 to the power n plus b. If we replace n with 1, we get T1, which is 3a plus b, and that is given equals to 5. So that is 5. I can call this as equation 1. If we replace n with 2, so we get T2 equals 9a plus b, and that is given as 7. So that is 7. So we have two equations in two variables. Solving these two equations, we'll be able to get the value of a and b. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we will get 6a is equal to 2, or a is equal to 1 over 3. We got the value of a as 1 over 3, and if we use this value in equation 1, which was 3a plus b equals 5, in this, if you use a as 1 over 3, you get 3 times 1 over 3 plus b is equal to 5, or b is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. So we got the value of a and b. Now we can find Tn. Tn was equal to a times 3 to the power n plus b. Replacing a and b here, we get 1 over 3 times 3 to the power n plus 4, which can also be written as 3 to the power n minus 1 plus 4. Now we know the nth term of this series. We can take summation of the nth term, and that will give you the sum of the series. So taking summation of nth term will give you the sum of the series. Summation 3 raised to the power n minus 1 plus 4. Here, summation of 4 means 4 added n times, so that gives you 4n, plus summation 3 raised to the power n minus 1. For this part, summation 3 raised to the power n minus 1 is same as 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 and so on, which is the GP, and sum of which can be found by using sum of GP formula. So we have the series as 1 plus 3 squared and so on, sum of which will be a, which is 1, times r raised to the power n. So r is 3 raised to the power n, minus 1 over r minus 1. So 3 minus 1. So we get 3 to the power n minus 1 over 2. Therefore, the sum of the series is 4n plus 3 raised to the power n minus 1 over 2, which can be simplified further, and we can write it as half times 3 raised to the power n plus 8n minus 1.